Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the first ever YesStar Day. A huge welcome to all our partners, customers, technology partners, our whole community, and beyond. No matter where you are, thank you very much for joining us today. We have been looking forward to bring everyone together for sharing, learning, and networking. And finally, we made it today. As we sat down to discuss the theme of this event, one thing struck all of us: the biggest lesson we have learned from the last 2 years. To adapt to unified communications need beyond just PBX. We launched P-Series system. To adapt to the dynamic usage pattern in modern office space, we introduced YesStar Workplace. The ever-changing landscape of work has driven us to keep innovating. Together with our partners and customers, we are determined to keep up with the trend and keep up the good work. That's why the theme of this year's event is Keep It Up. We don't settle for good enough. We always aim for better and better. It's a pleasure to have you all with us today for this virtual event, the biggest moment of YesStar Day 2022. Over the past few months, we also took YesStar Day on the road to visit a series of cities across the world. Thank you to our partners who helped organize the amazing road shows, and thank you to everyone who dropped by in person. Now, let's have a quick look at the highlight moments along the journey.
Thank you, Praise, for sharing the story behind Keep It Up. Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to be with you today. At YesStar, we believe in the power of digital technologies. You might have heard about our new tagline launched this March: Digital Value Delivered. You know, everybody talks about digital transformation. The pandemic drastically advanced and expanded it. The world, it's way more digital than ever, and there is no going back. When it comes to the right technology for digital transformation, we believe there are 3 key attributes: easily accessible, open and integrated, and future-proof. We attach great importance to simplicity and user experience. We keep a close eye on new realities facing all of us. We incorporate the latest technologies into our products. We work with a number of industry-leading technology partners around the globe. We are honored to have Hikvision, A-Link, Zoho, Jabra, and other valued technology partners with us today. Together, we're creating a diverse ecosystem that enables greater possibilities. We're committed to helping customers remove the barriers to a connected and collaborative digital workplace. Guided by this mission, Yaestar gets bigger every year. To date, we have crossed 450,000 customers with more than 250,000 PBX installed. We have established a global partner network of more than 9,000 channel partners covering over 120 countries. Speaking of the product itself, let's take the core pillar of our portfolios, P-Series PBX system, for example. To date, the Cloud Edition has spanned 60 nodes across 5 continents as the business grows. And we have been increasing server deployments so that customers can choose servers even closer to them. We're also proud to join AWS Independent Software Vendor Partner Program to accelerate the adoption of both P-Series Cloud Edition and Software Edition. And for the Appliance Edition, as we pay greater attention to the subscription model, the post-trial subscription rate of Enterprise Plan reaches a new record high of 80%. What's more, just several months since the official launch, Yaestar Workplace has been adopted to manage over 2,000 meeting rooms, serving customers across 51 countries. For the past year, Yaestar has also earned awards from TMCnet for excellence in our unified communication solutions and pioneer in remote work, from CRN for expertise, influence, and innovation in channel leadership, and from Eastern Management Group for UCaaS customer satisfaction. Customers tell us their problems and what they want, and we also think forward for them. That's what drives us to innovate and to stay at the cutting edge. Today, we're excited to show you how we're well-positioned to redraw the boundaries of digital workplace. Here is a quick update. Let's start with our unified communications portfolios. We've shipped about 9 major upgrades to the P-Series since its original launch. And today, we have the latest one. We're going to introduce Active Directory and Azure Active Directory integration for seamless synchronization of user data. Call Flip to enable transfer among devices during active calls. Linkus Web Client audio conferencing to bring together people in an instant, as well as a new subscription plan to suit a broader need in remote working. Moreover, we'll pull back the curtain a little bit to give you a sneak peek at our future directions. A P-Series outlook for 2023. Unified messaging, outbound call center, help desk integration. What comes to your mind now? That's right, omnichannel. That's what we're heading for. And more solutions such as multi-site interconnect for branch offices and hotel PMS integration will also be introduced to suit the various needs of different types of businesses and market segments. Besides, for resellers and service providers, we're keen to take the burden off your shoulder. So, get ready for an even more powerful Yaestar Central Management, where you can monitor more, manage more, and have more work done. Sounds ambitious, right? Yes, we are ambitious. We love challenges and we see opportunities. Personally, I'm extremely excited about these next steps. Let's move on to Yaestar Workplace. We take pride in designing this magic formula that ticks all the boxes for meeting room booking. It incorporates both software and hardware to ensure optimal experience and workplace flexibility. It applies cutting-edge technologies such as IoT to keep your workplace smart and future-proof. And today marks the debut of the other two pillars of Yaestar Workplace, the desk booking system and visitor management system. How to most efficiently allocate office space for the hybrid workforce, how to make a flexible seating strategy work, how to equip your team to embrace activity-based working, how to attend to visitors like a Fortune 500 company. Now Yaestar Workplace holds the answers to all these questions and more. Today you're going to see everything in action. We will go into details on our latest product innovations shortly. And there's a lot more waiting for you. In the next few hours, feel free to engage with us. Join the breakout sessions, visit our technology partner stands, and discuss with your peers freely. Once again, thank you all for joining Yaestar Day 2022 Virtual. I hope you enjoy all the sessions and find this experience informative, insightful, and inspiring. Stay with us and have a great time!